So, we're going to review this Twilight Dusk palette. UCANBE, I don't know. I was so shocked kasi they said that it's the dupe of Huda Beauty Rosegold palette. Hi guys, Cykaniki here. Welcome back to this channel. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for being here. If you're new, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I'm super excited to share with you guys. This is the Twilight Dusk palette. UCANBE Twilight Dusk palette. So ito siya. Ang pretty niya guys. Oh my god. Meron siyang number 2. This is a gift from my cousin from Germany and I'm super thankful kasi bigyan ako niya ng ang ganda. Oh, ang ganda ng packaging niya guys. Velvety. It says here in the packaging, UCANBE Twilight Dusk palette. It's a high pigmentation, easy to blend. It has 18 eyeshadows in 4 ready-to-layer textures, 6 pressed pearls, 3 doe chrome toppers, and 1 daring glitter. So mix and layer textures to create your own look. Dab the toppers in the center of or all over your lids for a shiny pop. Layer an extra coat using your fingers for an extreme iridescent effect. Apply the pure glitter all over or line eyes with a firm flat brush to give your look a playful hint of shine. Cause, thank you so much for giving me this. Iti-test natin guys yung eyeshadows niya. Ang ganda oh. I'm super excited. Kayo pa first. Tada! Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Isa-swatch natin to guys. Ang ganda niya. Ito yung mga colors niya guys. Mag-start tayo dito. Ito yung sa mga shimmer, guys. Sa mga matte. Guys, tapos na tayo sa mga shimmers. Tapos punta tayo sa matte. Oh, love one. OM. Parang pang base to siya, pang base. Hindi talaga siya chalky, guys. Hindi siya nag-appear, pero lagay natin dito. Oh. Tapos, ito yung Angelic. Cosmo. Wow. Ito yung favorite ko na color, guys. Darkish Delight. Oh my god. Ang ganda niya. Saffron. Last would be the Blazing. These line here. Okay guys, so that's it for my swatches and I'm super shocked with the pigmentation of the eyeshadows. I was so shocked kasi they said that it's the dupe of Huda Beauty Rosegold palette. Wow, it's super expensive. But as I browse, this one is the dupe, so it means it's cheaper compared to Huda Beauty Rosegold palette. I'm excited to share this to you guys. I wanted to make a tutorial for you. Blazing eyeshadow as our transition. Ang ganda niya. Wala pa tong primer ha. And then, gagamit tayo ng... Oh my god. Ang pigmented niya guys. Goldish. The inner eyes. Oh! Grabe! Ang wow! Isang swipe ko pa lang talagang nag-pop na yung eyes ko. Oh my god, ang ganda niya sa eyes. Oh, pag ganun ko pa lang. Tingnan nyo, ang ganda. Siyang wala siyang mirror. Sana may mirror. Hirap kasi ang layo ng mirror ko. Tingnan nyo guys. Ang ganda niya talaga sa eyes. Tapusin ko yung kabila and I'll be back. Wala akong nakikitang fallout oh. Usually, if ganito ka-pigmented na eyeshadow, talagang merong fallout. Pero ito wala. Fairness, yung black niya guys, hindi talaga siya nagpa-fallout. Ang smooth pa niya. And then, the black is really black. Super black. So guys, I hope you like this review. And again, this is the Twilight Dusk palette from UCANBE. And please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And please click the notification bell. Again guys, what I really love on this palette because wala siyang ganong fallout. Promise, wala siyang ganong fallout. Tapos, ang pigmented ng mga colors niya. Yung cashmere, tingnan mo, hindi talaga siya ganong black. Pero pag gamit mo sa eyes mo, super black niya. Yung mga lighter color lang, kasi pang base naman to siya, ito lang talagang hindi ganong nagpa-pop up. The rest, it's super, super nice. Na-shock ako dun sa gold kasi super pop talaga niya sa eyes ko, guys. Super. So, that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching and I hope you enjoyed this video, this review, and please don't forget to like and share and subscribe and click the notification bell. Bye-bye! Sarang